Yeah. Who's ready for tomorrow's lightning talks? Yeah, nice. Okay. They're not going to be like this. They're going to be more open, generic, and so forth. Who is very keen to apply for tomorrow's lightning talks and submit a talk? Have we got one? No one else? Really? 2, 3, 4, 5? Wow, so many. Okay, great. I want to see more hands up. As you saw, it's very easy. You just get up on stage and you talk. You don't have to have slides. You can just talk. You don't have to make fancy slides because you won't have enough time. And now I'm getting kicked off. That's my end of time. Thank you very much.
Yes, please, round of applause for Evan for organising the lightning talks. He did that at the last minute, and it is most excellent. Thank you, sir. Now, this is the end. My only friend. Thank you, everyone, for coming to this track today. It has been wonderful to see how well attended it is. It's always a bit frantic when we put this together because of the name of the thing. We kind of self-jinx ourselves. We're always happy that it actually comes off relatively seamlessly. So thank you to everyone who has attended to watch our presenters. Thank you to all of our presenters for putting in the time to come and talk to everyone else and working with us to create this great track. We literally could not have a track without the speakers. Thank you from me to my co-chairs, Yaakov and also Aurynn, who unfortunately couldn't be with us here today. Again, we could not do this track without the help of each other. So thank you so much for helping me and helping each other to wrangle this track together. Also the core team, who has done the lion's share of the work to actually get this whole conference running, that we get to run this silly little track in. That is tremendous. Let me see. I think we have some logistics stuff. Yes. So this evening, after this track, we do have dinner a little bit later. I encourage you all to continue at the conference. Next door, I believe we have student presentations. Is that right? The poster session? Yes. So please file next door and enjoy the students and welcome them into this glorious community. For this evening, for those who want to eat something, presumably you would enjoy some sustenance. I know I'm definitely going to have to eat something. We have a self-organised dinner. So the way that works is you ask other people if they're going to dinner and you ask them if you can join them. There are some people who are local to Melbourne who know a bit about this area, and they are probably good people to ask about where is good to eat. I am local to Melbourne, but I don't come down this part of the city very often, so I am a terrible person to ask. Please don't. I will be going and looking for someone who actually knows what they're doing. Following me would possibly be a mistake. Right, what else have we got? Yes, gather a group, 4 to 6 people, roughly, choose a restaurant, and go there and eat. Hopefully we can all follow that procedure. Have a delightful evening. Please enjoy each other's company. That is one of the things that having this conference is so great for, is to actually see each other and commune with each other than just being little pixels on a screen. There is something about being together all in one group that is tremendous, so please make the most of it. Make some new friends. Welcome some new people into this community and make them feel welcome. Communing over a meal is a great way to do that. If you see someone who's looking a bit lost and doesn't know if they may feel a little uncomfortable about asking, can I come with you to dinner? Ask them. Ask someone who seems like, are you looking for something to do? Welcome them in and bring them with you. That would be tremendous. And we will see you tomorrow for the rest of the conference. We start here at 9 a.m, same venue, same bat time, same bat channel. Come and see some more talks, enjoy the community and each other. I think that's everything. There is a first timers session before 9 tomorrow, I am told. Is it 8:30ish? Yeah. It's on the schedule. I don't know where it is, but yes, 8:30. If you are a first timer, do come along. Sorry, what was that? 8:25, just over here. So if you're a first timer, come over here. There's a first timer session, really well worth going and seeing that. And for everyone else, 9 a.m. tomorrow, go forth and enjoy the conference. And thank you so much.